This is a tutorial for Children's University Newcastle students on how to log in and use the new CU web portal. The old website, cuaustralasia.com, which looks like this, is going to be closed down soon, and the new web portal, which looks like this, is where you will go from now on to find information such as online activities, viewing learning destinations, and other activities and events. The big difference with this new website is that you need to log into it, and you can now complete online activities and send them directly to your school coordinator. So the web address for this new site is www.cuaportal.com. And this takes you to your login page. Now, your school coordinator will give you your username and password. Make sure you put this information somewhere safe. For example, glue or stick the piece of paper into the inside of your passport. Enter your username and password and hit submit. Now, the first page that you're taken to is called your dashboard. And this just gives you an overview of the activities that you completed online and submitted to your school coordinator. And you can come back to this page anytime just by clicking dashboard. The next part of the new web portal is the CU Online page. And this page is where you will find all of the online activities that can be counted in your passport. Now, this page is used and updated by all of the children's universities across Australia and New Zealand, and the most recent activities that are uploaded is what appears first. Anything that is put on this page is available for you to do. So if, for example, you see an activity that's posted by the Children's University in Adelaide or in Christchurch, New Zealand, and it looks like something you'd like to complete and do, you can, and you can submit that to your school coordinator. Up in the yellow area here, you can search for specific things that you might be interested in, such as music or art, or you can filter by these topics. This is where you'll also find the school holiday booklets and the monthly challenges. Now, some of these activities, online activities, have text boxes with questions where you need to submit answers and then submit to your teacher. But some you just need to upload a file that you have saved on your computer, such as a Word document or a photograph. So I'm just going to upload my most recent monthly challenge. Tick the box, the checkbox saying that you have completed this work yourself. And then from this point, you can save or come back to it later, or you can submit it to your school coordinator. And the next time they log into their dashboard, they'll have a little notification next to your name telling them that you've submitted something for them. Your school coordinator can approve your work, or they can send it back to you if they feel like you need to add to it or it's not quite finished. And you'll be able to see back on your dashboard once that's been approved. From here on, you can go back to the CU Online page and keep on completing activities, but we're going to move on to the Learning Destinations page. Now, this page is automatically set to the New South Wales region, so you will only see learning destinations and upcoming events or activities in the local area. You can search via categories. You can search for specific places or businesses that we might be partnered with, or you can just scroll through the pages of learning destinations that we have. Now, when a learning destination sends us a new activity, this is where we put it. This is where we also put any school holiday activities or programs. This is where you'll find that information. So it's worth checking this page about a week before school holidays start. Now, once you click on a learning destination activity, you can view the activity that is on offer. You can learn about the learning destination. There's a map that shows you where they are. Down the side here, there's contact information. And if that learning destination has a website, the more information button will take you to it. If you want to, after you've visited a learning destination, you can click that you've been there. This just shows up on your dashboard, so you can keep a record of where you've been. Just remember to put everything in your passport, because this is where your school coordinator will tally your total hours for the year. Now, the last feature of the web portal is your profile, which is up here in the top right-hand corner. This is where you can edit your profile and change your avatar. So edit profile, you can come down here and change the little picture. If you wish, you can fill in this section with your age and ethnicity. So for example, if you are Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander or from a non-English speaking background, you can fill in that information, but only if you wish to. Remember to log out, especially if you're using a school computer or a public computer. And please see your school coordinator or your CU project officer, which is the person that comes into the school sometimes to check your passports. If you're having any problems, they'll be able to help you. Thanks for watching.